Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a quick little Chanel unboxing. I haven't actually done an unboxing in a little while. I actually just made a really large purchase today. I bought a new sofa from Restoration Hardware, the cloud sofa, leather one, so I'm super excited about that. Not something I usually talk about on my channel or on my Instagram, but I'm really excited about that. So probably won't be buying any bags for a while because that was a really big purchase, but I did, while I was at Yorkdale, I did want to pop into Chanel because I hadn't seen the new collection yet. And there was one particular color I'd been admiring online and I found a little something in it. So I just thought I'd share it all with you guys, or share it with you guys. So this is the bag. This is a true unboxing. I just got home and wanted to unbox it with you. So here is my receipt, and I will share the price of it afterwards. I always forget to do that, but here is the box. And the dust bag. Here's the care booklet. To reveal, here is my new Chanel card holder. Now, I really am not sure what the name of this particular style is. I actually haven't seen this one before. I have a similar one from Dior, but I've never seen this style at Chanel before, and it is this really pretty iridescent pink. And I've been thinking about this color. I really like this iridescent pink. You guys know I love my iridescent kind of unicorn colors, but I'm not kind of in the market for a bag right now, just because, like I said, I bought this couch, but I do really like this color, so I thought I'd try to find something small in it. And when I first got there, they actually said that they'd sold out, but then they just received 2 of this style, so I was lucky enough to snag one. So it's just like a snap closure, and it has all of these little compartments and like an accordion style, plus this card slot at the very front. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different compartments. And it is a, let's see here, it is a 27 series. So it's from the 19S collection. I think it's the 19S Act 2, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I don't know. I think this must be a new style for Chanel. Let me know down below if you've seen this style before. I have not, but maybe I'm wrong. And this one is made in, where did it say it? Where did it say it? I know I saw it somewhere. I thought I saw the made in stamp somewhere, and now I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Made in Italy. So yeah, that's just my little treat for today. I just wanted a little something in this color. I just thought it was so pretty. I would love to have a bag in this color, but they did have one. I saw one classic flap in this color. It was either a medium or a small, but the prices on those are just really high. I can't do it right now with the big purchase of the cloud sofa from Restoration Hardware. So anyway, I just thought I'd get my fix by getting a little item like this. Although this SLG was not cheap. So let me share the price with you. So in Canadian dollars, it was $845 plus tax. So it came to $954.85. So definitely not a cheap card holder, but I do think it holds a lot of cards, which is what I need. I don't carry a lot of cash and coins most of the time, and each section could probably hold, or at least these sections could probably hold at least 3 cards, so I can fit a lot of cards in here, and it's quite compact, so it'll easily fit in my rectangular minis and my smaller bags. So yeah, so I am really happy with it. It is, I believe that's light gold hardware. And yeah, such a pretty iridescent sheen. And I don't have them handy, but I was using my rose gold, my 17C rose gold bag, and 17B rose gold bag, and zippy coin purse, and the rose gold next to this, it barely even looks pink. So this is much pinker than that rose gold. The rose gold next to it actually looks more gold than pink, so that was interesting. I'll have to do a comparison picture, or in my next video maybe show a comparison between the two. But yeah, it was interesting to see them side by side. Anyway, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and also let me know if you've ever seen this style before and maybe what Chanel calls it, because I have actually never seen it before. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.